A Category 4 hurricane is coming. What does Category 4 really mean? And how does it affect Jamaica?
What?
Stay tuned. Meteorologists use the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale to rate hurricanes from Category 1 to Category 5 based on their sustained wind speed. For Category 4 storms, the wind speeds are 156 miles per hour, is approximately equal to 251 kilometers h. These storms cause catastrophic damage. Roofs gone, trees uprooted, power down for weeks or months. Service master restore. When a storm like this hits Jamaica low-lying areas, coastal towns, older buildings, they're at major risk. Storm surge of 1318 feet above normal tide is possible in a Category 4 event. That means floods, landslides, and widespread disruption across parishes. The difference between a Category 3 versus Category 4. Many storms get called major at Category 3, winds 129 miles per hour. Still dangerous. But Category 4 jumps the damage potential dramatically. You don't just lose power trees, you risk entire neighborhoods being uninhabitable. So when you hear Category 4 hurricane heading your way, it's not just another storm, it's a game changer. Secure yourself, prepare your home. This isn't hype, it's real. Follow Alpha and Fox